Let's go Vikings.
Ms. Burst, and we are your English department at Vincent High School, and I am your 10th grade English teacher.
I'm Miss Kavanaugh.
Miss Cost, this is Kira.
Guys, welcome to Vincent. I'm Miss Prawl.
Welcome to my class. I am Mr. Jimenez, the Spanish 1 and 2 teacher.
This is Miss Dingman. Yo soy la profesora de español 1 y 2 también.
Again, my name is Dr. Green. I am your biology and comparative anatomy teacher.
My name is Ed Pettis.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Stinky. I'm your environmental science teacher.
How you guys doing? I'm Mr. Ladlick. I'm going to be your biology teacher.
Vincent students, my name is Rich DePalma. I'll be your physics teacher and also Edgenuity.
I'm Heidi Majeski. I am the food science teacher.
Hello, this is Jeff Neuser. I'm the horticulture teacher, so that is plant science.
I'm Megan Saudi, and I'm going to be your environmental science teacher. We're going to learn about the natural world.
Monica Gay, and I teach animal science.
I'm Miss O'Neill. I'm your culinary arts teacher.
Hey, this is Mr. Vincent from Social Studies.
Hello, my name is Mrs. Reinhardt.
Hello, Vincent. I am Mr. Schreiber. I will be teaching freshmen this year.
Hey, everybody. Welcome to Vincent High School. We are your math department, and we just wanted to say hello.
Hey.
Hello.
Everybody, I'm Miss Moore.
Hi, I'm Miss Nation.
Oh, I'm Mr. Yarn.
Mr. Maddox.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Smith, your transition coordinator.
And I'm Miss Kortev.
Hi, everybody. I'm Miss Molly.
Hello, everybody. It's Mr. Helton.
Everybody, I'm Mr. Picua.
I'm Vikings. We are your social work team. I'm Miss Anderson.
Hi, I'm Miss Tim.
Hi, I'm Miss Moore.
I am the proud principal, Mr. Ramon Evans.
I am Marcus Matthews.
I'm Heidi Healy, the principal of Vincent.
I'm Eddie Jones, the Evanston.
Whose house?
The house!
Whose house?
The house!
Whose house?
The house!
Wow.